Hello there, welcome to the Nurse Classic Stitches channel. If you are new, welcome and thank you for clicking. Excuse me. I thank all my subscribers and returnees. Thank you so much. Please share and subscribe. Okay, thank you. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you're watching this in the globe. Welcome to the Nurse channel again. Today, as I said last week, we're going to start this. Okay, girls, top Butterick4274, and it's size 7 to 14. I've cut all my pieces. Okay, this is the front, it's 2 pieces, and the right side go to the left side, overlap to the left side. This is the back, and this is the sleeve. Now, you need a couple of things before you start this, whatever size you decide to cut. Okay, you need the tie for the front, so you can use store-made bias and then stitch the close edge, and then you can use that for it. Or you can cut same fabric of your top to make the string for the neck. You need 1 by 1 inches interfacing, because we are going to have a buttonhole for the strings to go in through and then come in the front. Okay, and you need your buttonhole attachment. Okay, and then you need a turner if you're going to use the same fabric as your top to make your own string. Then you need something to turn the fabric right side out after you sewn it, or you can use a safety pin. Okay, but I saw this on one of the YouTube channels, I think a while ago, so I got it from, what do you call it, okay, I think you can see it now, from Amazon. Okay, and it comes in 3 different sizes. Now, you can also use satin cording, match your fabric. Okay, you can also use that. And what else do you need? And I think this is it. Okay, so what I'm gonna do first is to take off my pattern pieces off. I'm gonna press the edge 5/8, turn under, stitch it, then I'll overlap from right to left, join the shoulders at the back, and then after that I'll take you to the machine and then we'll continue from there. Okay, so see you in a bit. Thanks. Hello, I'm back. Okay, after stitch the overlap edge 5/8 and under stitch, no, under it, I'm lost, under 1/4 and then stitch that part, overlap from right to left, did the shoulders, did the buttonhole at the front, interfacing and the buttonhole. I went over, but it's okay. And the shoulders, for the neck to lie down nicely, 5/8, take less at the neck shoulder, 5/8, and taper it off. Start 5/8 from the shoulder and taper it off. Now I'm going to take you to the machine, do the side seam, put the sleeves in, and the stripes, and they will be done. Okay, now stitch, set, press open, and this is how it looks like on the right side. This is our beginners friendly, okay? And all the steps that comes with this, we've done it in the adult outfit, so it's easy to follow, as I said. Now on this, if you're going to use the same fabric, you cut your pieces according to the width that you want. You stitch one end close, and then you stitch the side, and you push this to where the one end that you stitch close, okay? And then you push this through it. And that's what I have done here, okay? And I'm almost done. Ay, ay, ay. It's very easy. It's just that it's a little bit fidgety. Okay, so there. And then I have it out. There we go. I have this out, but then I had to get the other end from the opening. Okay, so I'll be right back. Let me finish it and I'll show it to you. Be right back. Hello there, I'm back. Listen, family, sorry I didn't take you to the machine. I have a lot on my mind about my 94-year-old dad. Okay, so I'm not myself today, so sorry, but it's done anyway. Okay, it's done. And I followed the instructions exactly. Okay, so exactly from step 1 up to the end. Okay, so if you get the same pattern, do the same. Okay, thank you. And next week I'm thinking of new look 6489. New look 6489 jumpsuit. We're gonna make this jumpsuit with no sleeves. Okay, so it doesn't, as I always say, it doesn't have to be the same pattern. So far as it's similar to it, if you can get exactly the same, it's also good, because most of my patterns I've had them for a long time, so I don't know which one is still available and the ones that is not available. Okay, so it must be something out there that is similar. It's not necessary to have to be new look. Okay, it could be Butterick, it could be Simplicity, it could be Vogue, it could be what's the other ones too. Okay, so this is the end of the video. Happy sewing, and I'll see you next week. Bye bye for now. Now one more time. Okay, there, and then the back. Okay, thank you. Bye bye.